Financial planning for beginners. In this video we have a topic that is crucial for building a secure future: financial planning. Whether you're just starting out in your career or preparing for retirement, having a solid financial plan is the key to achieving your goals and dreams. So, in this video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of financial planning and show you how to take control of your financial future. Let's dive in. Section 1: Understanding the importance of financial planning. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why financial planning matters. Many people overlook this step, but it's the foundation for everything else. Financial planning helps you set clear financial goals, prioritize spending, and make informed decisions about saving and investing. It enables you to handle emergencies with ease and also paves the way for a stress-free retirement. So, whether you're saving for a dream vacation or a down payment on a house, financial planning will guide you there. Section 2: Assessing your current financial situation. The first step in financial planning is understanding where you stand financially. This includes evaluating your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Take the time to create a comprehensive budget, listing all sources of income and all expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your cash flow and identify areas where you can potentially cut costs. Additionally, knowing your net worth helps you track your progress over time. Section 3: Setting financial goals. With a better understanding of your financial situation, it's time to set some specific and realistic financial goals. Short-term goals may include building an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debts, while long-term goals might involve saving for retirement or your child's education. Remember, your goals should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Section 4: Creating a budget. Now that you have your goals in place, let's create a budget that aligns with them. Budgeting involves allocating your income wisely to cover essential expenses while leaving room for savings and discretionary spending. There are various budgeting methods, such as the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Find a budgeting strategy that works best for you. Section 5: Managing debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving your financial goals, so it's essential to manage it wisely. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit card debts. Consider consolidating loans or negotiating with creditors for better terms. Being debt-free allows you to free up money for savings and investments. Section 6: Building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and that's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Start setting aside a portion of your income regularly until you have saved enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will give you peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks during challenging times. Section 7: Saving and investing. Savings are essential for short-term goals, but to achieve long-term goals like retirement, you need to invest wisely. Diversify your investments to spread risk and take advantage of different asset classes. If you're unsure about investing, consider consulting a financial advisor to help you create a personalized investment strategy. Section 8: Retirement planning. Retirement may seem far away, but the earlier you start planning for it, the better off you'll be. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs can offer tax advantages and compound growth over time. Be sure to calculate how much you'll need for retirement and adjust your contributions accordingly. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now laid the groundwork for your financial future by mastering the art of financial planning. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how well you manage and grow what you have. With discipline, determination, and a clear plan in place, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.